ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। I think we completed
all the sentences.
Yeah. And some kata and some exercises are there. Then just quickly go to easy. It's almost done, this Shatrashanaj. Abhyasaha. Adite. Kriyapadam adhiyanaha adhiyana adhiyanam. Shete. Shayanaha shayana shayanam. Vikrinite vikrinanaha vikrinana vikrinanam. There are all some of the dhatus which we use and will be using. So the forms are little odd, that which is given. Kurute, kurvanaha, kurvana, kurvanam, janite, jananaha. All these are atmane padadatu or ubay dhatu. That shatranta rupam is given. Atmane pada form and shatranta rupam. Brute, brute, bruvate. So therefore, bruvanaha, bruvana, bruvanam, bhunkte, bhunkte, bunjate, bunjate. Therefore, bunjanaha, bunjana, bunjanam. Manute, manda, not manu dhatu, manda, yeah, manu. Because manda to is manyate, manyete, manyete, it is quite different. It is fourth conjugation. Here the dhatu is man. Which conjugation the dhatu must be?
So the meaning is the same. Manu and man.
Man, as the fourth conjugation, to think, to consider, jnane. But this is almost same. Avabodhana in the eighth conjugation. This is in the eighth conjugation. Mandat. Yes. Okay. So Manu, what? Okay. Myself has said it is eight conjugation. That's why I've given Manu. Man plus U plus te, manute, manvate, manvate. Therefore, manvanaha, manvana, manvanam. Similarly, asdatu, aste, asate, asate, second conjugation. Aste, asate is something special rule is that asdatu. Aste, asate, that not asite. Aste, asate, asate. But Shanach Rupam we have Asinaha. Asinaha. So Asdatu, second conjugation, we have some special rule for Shanach. What is a special rule? As plus Ganavikana will come and go away. And As plus Shanach will be Asana directly. No. I think Alaha Shanoch Sutram is Aridasaha, yeah. But for Asdatu, the ana, that A will be replaced by E. Special rule for this dhatu. Asa Uttarasya Ana Shabdasya Ikaraha Adesha Bhavati. For a special rule it is. Maybe within bracket I will write the Sutram is that Eid Asaha. Eid Asaha. Sutram. So, 283. Special one. By that it happens. Prayunkte, yunkte, yunjate, yunjate. So prayunjanaha, prayunjana, prayunjanam. This is first conjugation. Vadi. Dhatu is vadi. Vandate, vandete, vandante. First conjugation, therefore vandamanaha, adantanga. Vandamana, vandavanam. Similarly, kampate will become?
Kampamanaha, kampamana, kampamanam.
Yes. So, kampamanaha, kampamana, kampamanam. अपन से करेंगे कंपमान. Then भाषते.
भाषमानः, भाषमाना, भाषमानम.
उत्तम मिलापन और नकारा और नकारा.
Dantya.
No, mudanya. Harsh.
Vishasha.
Shattam milapan. Vashamana, vashamanam. Vidyate. Vidyadatu.
Vidyamanaha, vidyamanaha, vidyamana.
Vidyate is which conjugation? Vidyadatu. Fourth conjugation. Vidyasatayam. Vidyamana, vidyamanam. Sevate. First conjugation.
Sevamana.
Sevamanaha.
Sevamana. Sevamanam. Sevamanam.
Shobhate.
Shobhamanaha. Shobhamana.
Stilinge. Shobhamana. Shobhamana.
Shobhamanam.
Spardate.
Spardhamanaha.
Spardhamanaha.
Spardhamana.
Modate. What is the dhatu?
Mudadatu.
Mudadatu. First conjugation. Moda.
Modamanaha.
Modamanaha. Modamana. Modamanam. Lajjate. What is the dhatu? Lajjate.
Lajjadatu, no?
No, we don't have lajjadatu. Lasjadatu.
Lasjadatu.
Yeah, the dhatu is lasj. Lasj. Sakara and jakara. So lasjadatu. So that becomes lajj. It is lasjo, in fact. Anyway, that lasjadatu becomes lajjate. So becomes lajjamanaha.
Lajjamana. Lajjamana.
Lajjamana. Lajjamanam. Ikshate.
Ikshmanaha. So, Murdanya.
Murdanya. Yes. First conjugation. ईक्षवरा ईक्षमाणम् यस् प्रकाशते
प्रकाशमानः
प्रकाशमानः प्रकाशमाना प्रकाशमानम् युध्यते युध्यते which conjugation
फोर्थ
both
युधि
conjugation
युधि धातु
yes धातु use युद्ध धातु युध्य मानः
युध्यमानः युध्यमानः युध्यमानः
विद्यमानम् प्रवर्तते
तो प्लस प्रवर्तमानः
धातु is
प्र उपसर्ग वर्त धातु वर्ति
no वृत्त धातु first conjugation undergoes guna वर्तते वर्तेते वर्तन्ते then किद्यते
विद्यमानः
विद्यमानः किद्यते is that is also fourth conjugation kid otherwise ki would have become k right if it is first conjugation lambate
लम्बमानः लम्बमानः लम्बमानः
लम्बमानः लम्बमाना लम्बमानम् विराजते वि पूर्वक राज धातु
राज धातु विराजमानः
नकार और नकार
नकार
दंत्य और मूर्धन्य
दन्त्य
because jakara is there in between which is not permissible
परमिसिबल
प्लवते
लवमानः
प्लवमानः प्लवमानः प्लवमाना
लवमानः
प्लवमानः
लवमानः
याचते
याचमानः याचमानः याचमानः
यचमाना यचमानम् बालके बालकः पद्मासने उपविशति बालकः प्राणायामम् it must be यामं करोति so
पद्मासने उपविशन् बालकः प्राणायामं करोति
yes it's all mixed up so you'll have shatranta shanach so padmasane balakah padmasane upavishan pranayamam karoti yes so it is shatranta so we have to see accordingly and then do mama putrasya jwarah vardate edeva jwaram hivarayatu
मम पुत्रस्य वर्धमानः ज्वरः वर्धमानं ज्वरं निवारयतु हे देव मम
yes edeva that you put it first this cut and paste edeva
मम पुत्रस्य वर्धमानं ज्वरं निवारयतु
so vardhamanam jwaram nivarayatu vardhamanam jwaram shanach बालिका सूर्यं पश्यति सूर्य नमस्कारं करोति
सूर्यं पश्यन्ती बालिका सूर्य नमस्कारं करोति
पश्यन् think and say
पश्यन्ती
सूर्यं पश्यन्ति
बालिका
सूर्यं पश्यन्ति बालिका सूर्य नमस्कारं करोति केशवः व्याकरणम् अधीते स्टडीज व्याकरणं तेन सह भवान् अपि पठतु
व्याकरणम् अधीयमानस्य केशवस्य सह भवान् पठतु
व्याकरणम्
अधीयमानस्य केशवस्य सह
न तेन
केशवेन सह सेन तृतीया विभक्ति
therefore tena is केशवेन सह व्याकरणम्
अधीय
tell me what will it be fine the form.
Hmm.
Adiyamana?
Ta.
No.
No.
Keshavena is adiyamanena.
Adiyamanena.
Vyakaranam adiyamanena
Manena.
keshavena. Right?
Hmm.
Yanam gacchati, yanam dhumam tyajati. Something we have seen with before. Okay.
Hmm.
Then,
Gachat yanam
yes,
dhumam
that's correct.
त्यजति.
Gachat yanam dhumam tyajati.
त्यजति.
नक्षत्राणि आकाशे प्रकाशन्ते वैज्ञानिक्याः अवलोकन्ते
आकाशे प्रकाशन्ति नक्षत्राणि
नो नो
वैज्ञानिक्याः
आकाशे प्रकाशन्ति
नक्षत्राणि. No, it is Chanaj. So, प्रकाशमानानि नक्षत्राणि.
yes आकाशे प्रकाशमानानि this is karma object for वै the अवलोकन्ते वैज्ञानिकाः नक्षत्राणि अवलोकन्ते प्रकाशमानि मानानि नक्षत्राणि आकाशे. Now it is like this. This तृतीया भक्ति बहुवचनम प्रकाशमानानि. नागेन्द्रः योगसूत्रम् उच्चारयति कंठस्थीकरोति. Simple one. Qualifying.
नागेन्द्रः उच्चार्यमानं योगसूत्रं.
No, उच्चारयन्. योगसूत्रम् उच्चारयन् नागेन्द्रः कंठस्थीकरोति.
कंठस्थीकरोति.
वै उच्चार्यमानम्. शिवलिंगं शोभते तस्मै भक्ताः पुष्पाणि अर्पयन्ति.
शोभमाने शिवलिंगे भक्ताः पुष्पाणि अर्पयन्ति.
No. तस्मै
शोभमानाय.
शोभमानाय. शोभमानाय. No, तस्मै is शिवलिंगाय.
भक्ताः पुष्पाणि अर्पयन्ति.
And शोभमानं qualifies शिवलिंग. शोभमानाय शिवलिंगाय भक्ताः पुष्पाणि अर्चन्ति. Right. धीरजः धावति गृहं गच्छति. Simple.
धावन् धीरजः गृहं गच्छति.
धावन् धीरजः गृहं गच्छति. कपिलः ईश्वरं स्मरति प्राणायामं करोति.
ईश्वरं स्मरन् कपिलः प्राणायामं करोति.
Yes. प्राणायामं करोति. शिक्षिका कृष्णफलके लिखति पाठयति.
कृष्णफलके लिखन्ति शिक्षिका पाठयति.
Yes. We have seen this is again the end. ललिता देवं स्मरति श्लोकम् उच्चारयति.
देवं स्मरन्ति ललिता श्लोकम् उच्चारयति.
Yes. श्लोकम् उच्चारयति. बालिका क्रीडति अधः पतति.
क्रीडन्ति बालिका अधः पतति.
Yes. क्रीडन्ति बालिका अधः पतति. विमानं गच्छति शब्दं करोति.
गच्छत् विमानं शब्दं करोति.
So all the lingas, Shanach, Shatru Shanach, all put together. That's the example. Exercise here. Vyajanam Brahmati Kampate.
भ्रमत् व्यजनं कम्पते.
अहम धावन्तं बालकम् आह्वयामि. Oh, it is there.
बालक
You have to split.
बालकः धावति, अहं तं बालकम् आह्वयामि.
No, no. Already it is there. What is it you are doing? Aham
बालकः
dhavantam.
धावति, बालकः धावति.
Yeah, we have to split into two.
हम्म,
Balakah dhavati.
धावति, अहं बालकम् आह्वयामि, अहं
Am
तम् आह्वयामि.
ahvayami. So this is for splitting. Mala likantim balikam prashamsati.
बालिका लिखति, बाला बालिकां प्रशंसति.
Balika likanti. Likanti.
लिखति,
Likati. Mala tam
प्रशंसति.
prashamsati. Tvam tyaj chalat vijanam ma sprishatu.
व्यजनं चलति,
Vijanam chalati.
त्वं तं मा स्पृशतु.
Yes. Tvam tat, not tam.
तत्
तत् मा स्पृशतु. त्वं खादता बालकेन सह सम्भाषणं मा कुरु. तो बालकः
बालकः खादति, तेन सह त्वं सम्भाषणं मा कुरु.
तेन सह सम्भाषणं मा कुरु. विद्यालयं गच्छन्त्या छात्रया सह अहमपि गच्छामि. तो
छात्रा विद्यालयं गच्छति,
छात्रा विद्यालयं गच्छति.
तया सह अहम् अपि गच्छामि.
अहमपि गच्छामि. भवती पठते छात्राय जलं ददातु.
छात्रः पठति, भवती तस्मै जलं ददातु.
छात्रः पठति, तस्मै भवती जलं ददातु. माता पचन्त्यै महिलायै धान्यानि ददाति.
महिला पचति, माता तस्मै
तस्यै
तस्यै तस्यै धान्यानि ददाति.
यस महिला पचति, माता तस्यै धान्यानि ददाति. सैनिकः धावतः अश्वात् पतति.
अश्वः धावति, सैनिकः तस्मात् पतति.
तस्मात् अश्वात्. तो धावति अश्वः, सैनिकः तस्मात् पतति. हे पुत्र अत्र आगच्छन्त्याः फलविक्रेत्र्याः आम्राणि क्रीणातु.
फलविक्रेतृ अत्रे आगच्छति. हे
अत्र
पुत्र आगच्छति.
फल
विक्रेत्री it should be, no?
विक्रेत्री श्रीलिंग. फलविक्रेत्री आगच्छति. हे पुत्र then
तस्याः
yeah atra is also is okay. Atra or from tasyaha, yes, atra tasyaha because it was the panchami. Yes,
पंचमी.
आम्राणि
क्रीणातु.
क्रीणातु. Many are there. Oh, many are there. Okay, quickly you can do. Not take much time. Simple one all. पठतः छात्रस्य बुद्धिमतां पश्यतु.
छात्रः पठति तस्य बुद्धिमतां पश्यतु.
तस्य बुद्धिमतां पश्यतु. पठति छात्रः. ओके, यू कैन बी लाइक दैट. एतत् पुस्तकं तत्र क्रीडन्त्याः बालिकायाः सन्ति. सारी बालिकायाः अस्ति एतत् पुस्तकम्.
एतत् पुस्तकम् अस्ति. तं पुस्तकं तस्य तयाः बालिकायाः अस्ति.
एतत् न बालिका क्रीडन्ति. एतत् पुस्तकं तस्याः अस्ति.
बालिकाः क्रीडन्ति.
बालिका क्रीडति.
एतत् पुस्तकं तं तस्याः अस्ति.
Yes. एतत् तस्याः पुस्तकम् अस्ति. तावत्सु बालकेषु रामः प्रथमः.
बालकाः धावन्ति.
Yes.
तेषु रामः प्रथमः.
तेषु रामः प्रथमः. उपरिष्टात् पतन्त्यां पेटिकायां नूतन वस्त्राणि सन्ति.
पेटिका उपरात् पतति.
No, पेटिका पतति. कुत्र पतति?
उपरिष्टात् पतति. So falls from the top.
Yeah. पेटिका पतति. उपरिष्टात् पेटिका उपरिष्टात् पतति.
तस्मिन् नूतन वस्त्राणि सन्ति.
तस्यां
नूतन वस्त्राणि सन्ति.
नूतन वस्त्राणि सन्ति. श्रीनिवासः गायति. ओके, जॉइनिंग अगेन.
गायन् श्रीनिवासः नृत्यति.
श्रीनिवासः गायन् नृत्यति. बालकः कथां शृणोति.
कथां शृण्वन् बालकः हसति.
बालकः कथां शृण्वन् हसति. शिशुः क्षीरं पिबति हसति.
क्षीरं पिबन् शिशुः हसति.
Yes. आपणिकः वस्तूनि दत्तवान्. धनं पृष्टवान्. वस्तु दत्तवान्.
अददत्.
He gave.
He gave.
So दत्तवान् present participle you have to convert. So dadat.
अयच्छन् आपणिकः.
ददत्. Make it वस्तूनि ददत् आपणिकः. ददत् धनं पृष्टवान्. दादातु ददत्. ददत् or dadan?
It should dadan, no?
No, numahama, right? Dadatu. Because abhyasta. Strilinge dadati. Form would be dadati. Napumsakalinge.
Dadat. It will be dadat.
Dadati.
Dadat.
No, I'm not asking the.
Dadati.
Yeah. Dadati. So pulling a only for abhyastanga, no. So dadat. Okay. Vastuni dadat. आपणिकः छात्राः ग्रन्थान् पठितवन्तः ज्ञानं सम्पादितवन्तः so पठितवन्तः
पठितवत्यः छात्राः ज्ञानं सम्पादितवन्तः।
yeah your choice पठितवत्यः और पुल्लिंगे पठन्तः so पठितवत्यः fine but here पठितवन्तः cannot count because पठितवन्तः पुल्लिंग not पठितवत्यः
पठितवती सो इट इज
पुल्लिंग
पठतः छात्राः।
no no पठन्तः
पठन्तः छात्राः।
so ग्रन्थान् पठन्तः छात्राः even though this is past here we are using present participle but it main kriya is in past so you have to it will be in that time it was past it was present participle present participle sampaditavantah main kriya that is in the past tense so that in the past it was present therefore patanta grantan patantah so all here nishtha pratyaya used now again joining बालकाः क्रीडन्ति बालकाः क्रीडन्ति कोलाहलं कुर्वन्ति
सो क्रीडन्तः बालकाः कोलाहलं कुर्वन्ति।
क्रीडन्तः बालकाः कोलाहलं कुर्वन्ति योगिनः सूर्यनमस्कारं कुर्वन्ति मन्त्रान् वदन्ति
सूर्य नमस्कारं कुर्वाण
कुर्वन्तः is also is
कुर्वन्तः
or
कुर्वाणः
योगिनः is बहुवचनम either we can use shatru or shanach both are possible because ubhayapati अध्यापिका लिखति छात्रान् बोधयति
लिखन्ति अध्यापिका छात्रान् बोधयति।
yes अध्यापिका लिखन्ति छात्रान् बोधयन्ति माता पाकं करोति गायति yes
पाकं कुर्वती माता गायति
और
कुर्वाणा
भक्ताः श्लोकं वदति देवं नमस्करोति श्लोकं
वदन् भक्ता
not वदन्तः
so should be भक्ताः
oh sorry भक्ता हो एक वचन only yes I thought it बहुवचन एक वचन वदन् श्लोकं वदन् भक्ता श्रीलिंगे भक्ता is you have to take it as श्रीलिंग so I thought भक्ताः but devam namaskaroti is singular so therefore here vadanti श्रीलिंग so श्लोकं वदन्ति भक्ता देवं नमस्करोति विद्यार्थिन्यः योगसूत्रं स्मरन्ति व्याख्यां वदन्ति
योगसूत्रं स्मरन्ति स्मरन्त्यः विद्यार्थिन्यः
yes व्याख्यां वदन्ति नर्तक्यः गीतं शृण्वन्ति नृत्यन्ति
गीतं शृण्वन्त्यः नर्तक्यः नृत्यन्ति शृण्वत्यः
शृण्वत्यः गीतं शृण्वत्यः नर्तक्यः नृत्यन्ति मित्रमागच्छति नमति
आगच्छन् मित्रं नमति आगच्छत् मित्रं नमति
नपुंसकलिङ्ग मित्रशब्द जलं प्रवहति कृषिभूमिं सिञ्चति
प्रवहत् जलं कृषिभूमिं सिञ्चति
yes प्रवहत् जलं कृषिभूमिं सिञ्चति वाहनान् धूमं निस्सारयन्ति परिसरं कलुषीकुर्वन्ति वाहनानि must be the typo okay धूमं
निस्सारयन्
No.
वाहनानि
Nissara.
निस्सारयति
No.
निस्सारयति
No, no.
वाहनानि
Nissara yanti. Oh, you said yanti. Okay, yeah. Yes.
परिस
Yes, yes. Nissara yanti.
वाहनानि
Hmm.
परिसरं कलुषीकुर्वन्ति
Yes. Then you form sentence now. Ramaha Japan Janakaha Namaskaroti.
रामः जनक जनकः जपति रामः जनकं नमस्करोति रामः जपति सः जनकः जनकं नमस्करोति नो
Japan qualifying. So Japan
तो रामः
Ramaha.
जपति जपन् रामः
Yes. Japan Ramaha Namaskaroti. Ramaha Japati Janakam Namaskaroti. That is a sentence.
so it should be
Japan
जनकं
Janakam.
जनकः
Yeah. It's all in Prathama Bhakti. Like this is, you can give other way also, but Japan Ramaha Janakam Namaskaroti. Yuvakaha Jalam Piban Yatrikaha Kushalam Prachati.
युवकः जलं पिबन्तं यात्रिकं कुशलं पृच्छति
Or, okay, that way you take. I thought Yuvakaha Jalam Piban Yuvakaha. Anyway, you can do your choice. Cannot say. So, if you take this as an adjective to Yuvakaha, Jalan Piban Yuvakaha, or Yuvakaha, Jalan Piban,
यात्रिकं कुशलं
Jalam Pibantam Yatrikam, you have to say. So, that is your choice. Kushalam Pruchati. Janaha, so I take this as a qualifying. Janaha Nrityanti. Then Mayuraha Drashta Santushyati. So, therefore,
जनाः मयूरान् दृष्ट्वा सो मयूरान्
Drashta Santushyati. Santushyanti. Right?
नृत्यतः मयूरान् दृष्ट्वा
नृत्यतः मयूरान् दृष्ट्वा सन्तुष्यन्ति अहं सूत्रं पठन्ति गौरीम् आह्यामि so Gauri is reading sutra. I call her. Aham
गौरीं
sutram patantim
गौरीम् आह्वयामि
ahvayami. Yuvati yogasanam kurvatyah balikaha drashtva santushta.
तो युवती सन्तुष्टा
Yogasanam
कुर्वत्यः बालिकान् दृष्ट्वा
kurvatihi.
कुर्वती
Balikaha, not balikan. We don't have any balikan, right? Balikan, where is balikan?
बालिकाः
दृष्ट्वा युवती सन्तुष्टा
तुष्टः सन्तुष्ट
सन्तुष्टा युवती ध्यानम fill in the blank simple ध्यानम
कुर्वता
dash
मुनेन
yes तृतीया ध्यानम कुर्वता मुनिना सन्तुष्ट मौनेन स्थितम् योगसूत्राणि छात्रैः dash छात्रैः सूत्राणां व्याख्या अपि within bracket पठन्तः then
पठद्भिः
yes पठद्भिः छात्रैः पठद्भिः छात्रैः सूत्राणां व्याख्या अपि पठिता योगसूत्राणि कथां
शृण्वत्या महिलया
yes शृण्वत्या महिलया सह सख्यः भविष्यन्ति then फलानि महिलाभिः सः
सुखादन्ति
शिशवः सन्ति।
खादन्तिभिः
यस्, खादन्तीभिः महिलाभिः सह
सह शिशव
शिशवः सन्ति। महात्मनः चरित्रं डैश् मित्रेण चिन्तनं कृतम्।
शृण्वता
शृण्वता मित्रेण सह चिन्तनं कृतम्। प्राचार्यः स्पर्धायां वेगेन बालकाय पारितोषिकं दास्यति।
धावतः
धावते न धावतः
धावते
बालक
धावते धावते
धावते बालकाय दास्यति पारितोषिकम्। अधिकारी कार्यक्रमार्थं दूरात् डैश् जनेभ्यः यानं याच्यते।
आगच्छद्भ्यः
यस्, आगच्छद्भ्यः जनेभ्यः देवं पितृव्यै प्रसादं डैश् प्रसादं ददातु। becomes पितृव्यै
चतुर्थी
कुर्वत्यै
नमस्कुर्वत्यै
कुर्वती नमस्कुर्वत्यै पितृव्यै प्रसादं ददातु। डैश् नर्तकीभ्यः उपायनं दातव्यम्। नर्तकीभ्यः चतुर्थी
नृत्यभ्यः नृत्यतिभ्यः
नृत्यन्तीभ्यः.
भ्यः
This is Adantanga. Num will be there. All this should do quickly. Nrityantibhyaha. Palam mitraya dash mitraya
खादते
kshiram
मित्राय
dadatu kadate. So kadate napumsakal. That's okay. Doesn't matter. It will not change. Janaha dash nadyaha jalam nayanti dash jatna.
सो पंचमी प्रवन्त्यः प्रवन्त्याः
Pravahantyaha. Num will be there.
हम्म,
प्रवहन्त्याः नद्याः जलं नयन्ति डैश् यानात् सः पतितवान्।
गच्छतः यानात्
Yes, गच्छतः यानात् सः पतितवान्।
पतितवान्
डैश् शुनकात् बालः भीतः।
भषतः शुनकात्
यस, भषतः शुनकात् बालः भीतः। डैश् यानस्य आरोहणार्थं प्रयत्नः मास्तु। प्रयत्नः इट इस्।
गच्छतः यानस्य
यस, गच्छतः गच्छतः यानस्य आरोहणार्थं प्रयत्नः मास्तु। डैश् बालिकायाः नाम सुशीला। षष्ठी नृत्यन्त्याः
नृत्यन्त्याः
नृत्यन्त्याः बालिकायाः नाम सुशीला। मन्दिरे डैश् पुरुषस्य नाम सुधाकरः। सिंपल वन।
गायतः पुरुषस्य
the name of the person who sings in the temple is Sudhakaraha. श्लोकं बालके डैश् बालके अनेके सद्गुणाः सन्ति।
पठिते बालके
yes, the पठिते बालके, come on, I also doing
पठन
no, पठति बालके, they are doing present participle. पठति बालके अनेके सद्गुणाः सन्ति। माता डैश् क्षीरं जलं योजितवती। उद्गच्छत
गच्छति क्षीरे
yes, उद्गच्छति क्षीरे Udgachati Shatrata 7-1. Yojitavati. Then Vegena dash Madhyam Hinaha Tharanti.
Pravahantyam Nadyam.
Saptami. Pravahantyam Madhyam Hinaha
Taranti.
Taranti. So we did many quickly. This is from the Gita. Naiva kinchit karometi yukto vanyeta tattvit pashin shunvan spasan jigran ashtan gachan spasan ashwan ashtan gachan spapan shwasan pralapan visrajan grandan nimishan api indriyan indriyateshu vartanta iti dharayan. So here we have
All
Sandhi is there.
Shatrantas.
All Shatranta. Pratama Ekavachan. It's a good place in the Gita, 5th chapter. It talks about Naiva Kinchit Karomiti. Kurvanapi na karoti. There it is said very beautifully. But Sandhi you have to do. But I tried. What Sandhi? Do you remember? Both of you, anyone can say. What Sandhi? Pashyan Pashrunvan becomes Nakara is Tavarga letter in contact with Shakara. Sandhi we dealt elaborately.
Yes.
You must be knowing. Shutva Sandhi, Nakara in
Shutva Sandhi.
contact with Shakara. Shunvan expression, no Sandhi. Both belong to Tavarga. Then Sprashan and Jigran, what Sandhi? Again, Shutva Sandhi. Jigran plus Ashnan, what Sandhi?
Smelanam.
No, cannot be Melanam. No.
Jigran.
Yamuttagama Sandhi. Padanta Nakara, that a ngam letter preceded by a short vowel followed by a vowel. This one will get corresponding nyam, that is Nuttagama, Yamuttagama Sandhi. That is why double Nakara is there. Jigran Ashnan. Ashnan Gachan. I hope you remember Yamuttagama Sandhi. Check your notes.
Yes.
Gachan, here no Sandhi. Gachan Swapan. There also no Sandhi. Both are Tavarga. Swapan Shwasan.
Shutva Sandhi.
Nakara in contact with Shakara. So there also, there must be Sandhi actually. Swapan Shwasan. It's not given. It's Swapan, then Shwasan. Pralapan, Visrajan, no Sandhi. Grannan plus Unmission. Here also, Nyamut Agama Sandhi. Unmission, then Nimission, that is same. Nimission plus Api. There are also Nyamut Agama Sandhi. Two places Nyamut Agama. This shloka, plus one, about three places. Grannan, Unmission, and Nimission.
Mission.
Plus Api. Nyamut Agama Sandhi. Indriyani, Indriyateshu. Here also, what Sandhi? Indriyani plus Indriyateshu.
Savarna Dirgha.
Yes. Vartanta plus Iti.
Is Vartante, no? So that.
Vartante. What Sandhi?
This
A is replaced by I. Yakarasya Lopaha. Kalpena. Okay, yes, and okay, Sandhi is given here. Then Yoga Vasishtam, there is one shloka. Aharan Viharan Stishtan Uttishtan Uchvasan Swapan Deho Miti no Vetmi Tenosmi Chirajivitaha. I have given them split up. Aharan plus Viharan, no Sandhi. Just join. Viharan Tishtan, what Sandhi? Is it joining, yeah? Just join. No.
No Sandhi.
No, Sandhi is there. Not no Sandhi. Sandhi is there.
It is
This is
Anuswara.
Padanta Nakara
Nakaram.
followed by Chow followed by Yam. This Padanta Nakara will be replaced by Ru and preceding vowel gets either Anunasika Adesha or Anuswara Agama. Therefore, Vigharans, Tishtan or Vigaram Tishtan. Sakara, Visarga, that room becomes Repa, Repa will become Visarga, Visarga will become Sakara, all those things will happen. Repa Nuswara Sandhi. In the year we don't have any Chow letter following, therefore there is no Sandhi happening in these cases. But here, Chow letter, Tishtan, what it happens. So this is Repa Nuswara Sandhi. Vigharan Tishtan. Tishtan plus Uttishtan, not Sandhi. Just we saw. Padan, this is Nyamutagama Sandhi. Nyam letter preceded by a short vowel followed by a vowel. Nyamut Agama Sandhi. Who will get a Nuttahama? Similarly, Uttishtan plus Uchvasan.
Uchvasan.
Same.
Nyamutagama.
Nyamutagama. Swapan, Uchvasan and Swapan. No Sandhi. This is not a Chow letter, so no Sandhi. Okay. Aharan, Vigaran, Tishtan, Uchvasan, Swapan, Aham, Degaha, Iti, Na Vedmi, Tena, Chilajivita. By that, I live long. Means Aham Jnani. Okay, now the story comes. There you will see the usage of Shatranta. Let us read. It's a long one. Okay. I will read, can tell the meaning. You can tell any Shatranta Shanat is there. Ekada Saparivarah Sri Krishnaha Dwarakataha Vrindavanam Gataha. Gataha past tense is equal to Gatavan or Agachat.
Agachat.
I will ask question, you answer. Kaha Gataha?
Shri Krishna Gataha.
Saparivaraha means along with the Parivara. Parivara Sahitam Sri Krishnaha Putra Gatavan.
Vrindavanam Gatavan.
Kutaha Kasmat Pradeshat. Deshat.
Dwarkataha.
Dwarakataha. Dwarakataha is equal to Dwarakayaha. Yattaha is Pachamyatte. Dwarakataha. If you want, you can write Dwarakayaha is equal to Dwarakayaha. Gataha or Gatavan, both. But it's both are okay. Tatra Kadachit Ekasmin Nikunje Sri Krishnaha Shayanaha Asit. Shatranta Padamastiva.
Shayanaha.
Asid. Sri Krishnaha Shayanaha Asit means lie down.
Shri Krishna.
Shayana slept. Yes. Kutra Tatra Kadachit Ekasmin Nikunje. Nikunje is a shady place. Sri Krishnaha Shete. Sri Krishnaha Asherata.
Asherata.
Shete Shayate Sherate. So not Asherata. Asherata is Bhagavachanam. Ashita, it is Shaitavan or we can Shaitavan or here Shayanaha Asit. That's okay. Shayanaha Asit. Shaitavan, we can say. It's a Akarmaga Dhatu. So we can use Ta Pratyaya also, Shaitaha also, you can say. Shaitavan or Shaitaha, both are okay. And past tense, okay, Shayanaha Asit, past tense. So for Lang Lakara Arupam would be Ashe, Asheta, because Asherata is Bhuvachanam. अशेत
Ashita.
शयनः अस्ति right अशेत शयितवान् शयितः all same शयितः also correct शयितवान् also let's see before कृष्णस्य दर्शनाय यतमानाः सर्वे अपि गोपकाः कृष्णपत्न्यः परिजनाः च तम् अलभमानाः तस्य दर्शनेन व्यथमानाः आसन् here how many shatrantas are there
Yatamanaha.
Darshanaya.
Alabhamanaha.
darshanaya is not shatranta shatranta rupam
So Yatamana,
yes
Alabhamana, Vyatamana.
yatamanaha is correct then
Alabhamanaha.
alabhamanaha and
Vyatamanaha.
yatamanaha all these are shana chantarupam it's a long sentence krishnasya दर्शनाय यतमानाः सर्वे one sentence सर्वे
Gopakaha.
सर्वे यतन्ते कृष्णस्य दर्शनाय यतन्ते सर्वे means गोपकाः then गोपकाः सर्वे अपि गोपकाः then कृष्ण पत्न्यः
Yaha. Parijanaha.
परिजनाः च wives of कृष्णन् परिजनाः च सर्वे गोपकाः कृष्णपत्न्यः परिजनाः च means सर्वे all these people
Yatante.
यतन्ते कृष्णस्य दर्शनाय तम रेफरिंग टू
Krishnam.
कृष्णम कृष्णस्य दर्शनाय यतमानाः सर्वे तम कृष्णम
Alabhamana.
अलभमानाः अलभमानाः right अलभमानस्य तस्य I think अलभमानाः will not be it's a mistake maybe or
Alabhatam.
अलभमानाः we have to make it as a good sentence तम अलभमानाः so अलभमानाः for that karta is यतमानाः सर्वे कृष्णम अलभमानाः
Alabhamanaha.
make like that that should be pause other we cannot connect with this in fact alabamanaha pass only alabamanaha kartari or karmani kartari so therefore who is a karta in the sentence survey referring to gopakaha krishna
Gopakaha
patnyaha
Patnyaha
parijanaha
Parajanaha.
so te alabamanaha kam krishnam tam okay therefore pause therefore one make it as a two sentence tasya adarshanena
Vyatamana.
yatamanaha means they become
Distressed.
Sad.
sad disturbed tam yam hi navyataghante in Gita also is that Satmanipada. कुत्रापि विविधदेवताः प्रार्थयमानाः चिन्ताक्रान्ताः च अभवन् so प्रार्थय
Manaha.
कर्तरि or कर्मणि if it is कर्मणि then प्रार्थ्य would be before ya there must be a
Sarthaya.
consonant there cannot be a vowel प्रार्थय taya aya is there therefore it is कर्तरि के प्रार्थयमानाः अभवन्
Te. Sarve.
सर्वे गोपकाः कृष्णपत्न्यः परिजनाः च चिन्ताक्रान्ताः च अभवन् विविध देवताः what vibhakti is it not a karta no it is object devata devate devataah devatam devate devataah it is 2 3 karma for prarthayamanaah object for prapurvaka arthadhatu devadata viviध देवताः प्रार्थयमानाः चिन्ताक्रान्ताः च अभवन् then devarshigi naradah api Krishnam didukshamaanaha tatra agataha here what is the shatranta
Vidrukshamanaha.
that's something new which we have not seen this is it's interesting this is sananta desiderating Didrkshamanaha means drashtum ichuhu. Maybe I will type here what is the Didrkshamanaha. That is, we don't know, we have not seen. It is sun anta, desiderative. We have mumukshuhu or muksha. See, mumuksha, pratiksha not good. Jigyasa,
Bubuksha.
bubuksha, yes. Then chikitsa, kartum icha, pipatisha, patitum icha. All these are sananta. So it is derived from a dhatu in the sense of desiring. Actually, it's called desiderative. Mumuksha is desire to become free. Jignasa, desire to know. The one who is desired to be free is mumukshuhu. Similarly, jignasa, jignasuhu. Bubuksha, bubukshuhu. Sananta, I have done like Shatranta, I did for you. Similarly, Shananta, I covered elaborately. Chikitsuku. Pipatisha, pipatishu. In Gita itself, the very first shloka, the word is that. What is that word? First shloka. Dharmakshetre, Kurukshetre, Samaveta.
Chikirshuhu.
No. Gita must.
Yuyutsavaha.
Yes.
That's it.
Yuyutsuhu.
Mm.
Yuyutsa. Desire to fight. The one who are desirous, those who are desirous of fighting. Yuyutsuhu. Yuyutsuhu. Yuyutsu. Karanta Shabda.
Yuyutsava.
Yuyutsavaha. Similarly, here we have Drashtum. Okay. So Mumukshu is desire to free. And one who is desire to free is Mumukshu. So this we will explain as like this. Moktum Icha is mumuksha. Desire to become free is moktum icha is mumuksha. Mumukshu is a person. Similarly, here we have Jignatum Icha, the desire to know. Jnatum Icha Jignasa, and the person who is desirous of knowing Jignasu. Similarly, Bubukshu. Bubukshu is Bhoktum, desire to eat, consume. Bhoktum Icha Bubuksha, and the one who is desirous of that is Bubukshu. Desire to do, Kartum Icha, Chikitsa, the one who is desirous of doing, Chikitsuhu. Pipatisha, Patitum Icha, desire to read. Similarly, Yutsa, what do you say? Yodhum
It.
Cha. Right? So this here the same thing we can say. Mumukshuhu. Bhoktum Ichuhu is Mumukshuhu. Simple.
Bubuksha.
Desire, the one who the same thing. Bhoktum Icha Muksha. Bhoktum Ichuhu Mumukshuhu. Jnatum Icha Jignasa. Do you understand? Jnatum
Ichuhu.
Ichuhu becomes Jignasu.
Jignasuhu.
Similarly, Bhoktum Icha. Jnatum. Bhoktum Icha. Sorry, Bhoktum Icha.
Ichu.
Bhoktum Ichuhu. Bhoktum Icha Bubuksha. Bhoktum Ichuhu
Bubukshuhu.
Bubukshuhu. Similarly, Kartum Icha. Chikitsa. Kartum Ichuhu. Ichuhu is referring to the person. Ichuhu means the one who has got a desire. Desire to do, desire to eat, desire to be free. Patitum icha pipatisha, desire to read, desire to study. Patitum ichuhu is
Pipatishu.
pipatishuhu. Pipatishu is ukaranta shabda. It can decline. Yodham icha is desire to fight. So therefore it becomes Yodhum Ichuhu. Yodhum Ichuhu is the one, those who are desires of fighting becomes Yuyutsu. Yuyutsuhu. That is a word in the Gita. Yuyutsuhu. Similarly, now we have the form Didrikshamanaha. So Drashtum Icha
Ridaksha.
Drashtum Icha Di Didriksha. Desire to see. Drashtum Ichuhu would be,
Didrikshuhu.
that is what is Didrikshuhu. Didrikshuhu and Didrikshamana. Drashtum. All this I gave example for you to see and how it is. Didrikshuhu. So you can understand Didrikshuhu. Okay. The same. So therefore, Moktum Icha, all these, this is all the abstract, mokshu, the desire. And here they're talking about the person who has got desire. But all these must have been derived from a dhatu. Moktum is moktum ichuhu, mumukshuhu, mumuksha, and must have derived from the dhatu. Mumuksha is a dhatu. Mumuksha, within bracket, I will write the dhatu. Dhatu is mumuksha. This is a dhatu. Jigyasa is a dhatu is jigyasa is a dhatu. The dhatu are all derived dhatu. Similarly, bubuksha is a dhatu. And from dhatu only we get bubuksha, bubukshuhu, etc. like that. Chikitsa is a dhatu. Chikitsa. Then pipatisha is a dhatu. From that pipatisha, the desire to read, we get pipatishuhu, the one who is desirous of reading. Ichuhu is singular. Bhagavachanam, pipatishavaha, pipatishu, Similarly, yuyutsa is a dhatu. Similarly, here the dhatu must be the driksha. And shanach rupam would be. Shanach, what we do, we add, all the dhatus are considered to be belonging to the first conjugation, mumuksha. Jigyasa, bubuksha, chikitsa, pipatisha, yuyutsa. Didriksha is there. And all these are anekach dhatu. It can be ubepadi. So didrikshan shatranta will be didrikshan, didrikshantau, didrikshantah, anekach dhatu. So, for example, here, didriksha is a dhatu. What will be the shatranta, shatra pratyaya? Okay, latlakara would be, we can derive, this is the dhatu. What would be? Didriksha, sha plus tip pratyaya or te parasmapadi or atmapadi. Both are possible. Then, shap will come. Right? Tip or te. Then shap plus didriksha plus shap is didriksha only. Pararupa sandhi. Then we have didriksha, didrikshati or didrikshate. This is latlakara. Just I'm giving an example for latlakara. Lang, lot, ling, all the lakaras are possible. Okay. Didrikshat. Therefore, didrikshati, didrikshate. The same thing you can extend for now shatranta also, shatra and shamaj. Didriksha plus Shatra, suppose if we do Shatra, will bring in Ganavikarna Shap, Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. So Shap will come. Shap, Didriksha plus Shap is Didriksha Pararupasandhi. Didriksha plus At. Then we get Didrikshata. Didrikshata, now it is declinable. Didrikshan, Didrikshantau, Didrikshantaha, Patan Patanto, Patantaha in Pullinga. And Srilinga also we can do all the lingas possible, referring to the person who is desirous of seeing. And it is Ubhayapadi, therefore Shanach also can be added. Shanach. It will bring in Shap. And Shap is Adantanga, therefore Mukhakama will come. Mukhakama. Therefore you will have Didriksha, content of Shanach is Ana. Therefore Didrikshamana. Pullinge Didrikshamanaha, Didrikshamano, Didrikshamanaha, Srilinge Didrikshamana. Right now, to explain this word, I have given a long explanation. Therefore, here we have Didrikshamanaha. So referring to who is Didrikshamanaha?
Naradaha.
Naradaha. Desiring the one, that is Narada, the one who is desirous of seeing. That is the meaning. The desirer of seeing. Who is desirous of seeing? Krishna. So it is a Shana Churupam of Didriksha. To that extent, we didn't see Shanach. We should know Sananta, then only we can see Sananta Shanach. Don't worry, not required. This much is enough. You understand, right? This?
Yeah.
You take these example and can try this Shatra Shanach Rupam. Dhatus are given within bracket. So with that we can do. You can see the one thing common in all these. What is that? All the dhatus ending with?
Adanta.
No. Adanta okay, but ending with what? San Pratyaya.
San Pratyaya.
It is sa only because of E Shattam has happened. Here also Shattam. Here also Shattam because of in. Pratyaya Sakara undergoing Shattvam preceded by in. So therefore Didrikshamanaha. If you understand this much, it's enough for San. So Naradaha api Didrikshamanaha Naradaha api Tatra agataha agatavan. Tatra agachyate, right? Then Sri Krishna kutrapi na. Now you see Drishyamanaha is
Drishyamanaha.
Karmani. Shanach. Krishna kutrapi Drishyamanaha Krishnaha asti. Iti jnatva, having known. Saha swayam anveshanam
Arabhamanaha.
Shanach. Nikunjeshu pavishtaha. He entered the Nikunja. Iti jnatva saha naradaha swayam tasya anveshanam Krishnasya.
Krishnasya anveshanam.
Krishnanveshanam arabhamanaha naradaha nikunjeshu pravishtaha. You can understand the meaning. Sundaraihi vriksha lata sarid giribihi shobhamaneshu api vrindavana nikunjeshu saha modamanaha nahabhavat. Shatranta sir.
Modamanaha. Shobhamanaha.
Maneshu, yes. Shobhamaneshu qualifying?
Nikunjeshu.
Vrindavana Nikunja. Vrindavana Nikunjeshu. And the Vrindavana Nikunja is shining. It is Shobhate, Prakashate, beautiful. How? By what? Vriksha, Lata,
Sarid Giridbhi.
Sundarai. All these are very beautiful. Saha, even then, Saha Modamanaha Nabhavat. Kaha?
Naradaha.
No, Krishna. Narada, why Narada is?
But he could not see beauty. Even in
No,
spite
no,
of
no.
beauty, he was not happy.
No. Krishna is there in the Nikunja. Searching Krishna, he came. So Tatra, Krishna is not happy. Saha Modamanaha Nabhavat. Krishna, Sri Krishna Modamanaha Nabhavat. How can be Naradaya? Next line you see. Ante Kutrachit Nikunje Kidyamanam Krishnam Apashyat. At the end, Kutrachit Nikunje under some shady tree, he sees what?
Krishna.
Kidyamanam Krishnam, who is afflicted. Kidyamanam is,
Sad.
what is the Shanach?
Kidyamanam.
The one
Kidyamanam.
who is distressed. Karmani Shanach.
Mm.
Karmani or what? Kartari.
Kidya.
Kartari.
Kartari it is. Don't get confused with the Kidya because Krishna Kidyate is Krishna is distressed. Kidyate is fourth conjugation. So the Rupam looks same. Okay. Kidyamanam is Kartari. And here is the Krishna is the object. Therefore Kidyamanam Krishnam. Jatiti Naradaha Kampamanaha Tasya Samipam Agachat. He went near Agatavan. Kampamanaha is Shatranta. Kaha Kampate Naradaha.
Narada.
तस्य समीपं कस्य कृष्णस्य समीपम् आगतवान् कृष्णः ज्वरेण वेपमानः शिरोवेदनाया पीड्यमानः च आसीत् वेपमानः इस् शत्रन्ता वेपते कः कृष्णः
Krishna.
केन ज्वरेण
Jwarena.
and शिरोवेदनया
Kidyamana.
पीड्यमानः right so पीड्यमानः is
Karmani.
yeah the one who is afflicted by this is karmani Vepamanaha is Kartari. Krishnaha Vepate. Krishnaha Pidyamanaha. Please know this is Karmani Shanach. Krishna who is afflicted by Shiroveda. Shirovedana is a Karta. Shirovedana Pidayati. Kam Pidayati? Krishnam Pidayati. Krishnaha Pidyate. Kaya Shirovedanaya. Therefore Pidyamanaha. Karmani Shanach. Understand? Karanam Jignyasamanaha. Yeah, here comes again.
Jignasamana.
Jignasa is the word dhatu plus shap plus shanach mukagaman. Then ana Jignasamanaha means desiring
Of
to know.
knowing. Mm.
Narada who is desirous of knowing the reason. Krishnam aprachate. He asked Krishna. Vedanam asahamanaha is qualifying
Krishna.
Sahate Krishnaha Sagate Krishnaha Asahat Na Sahate Asahamanaha Krishnaha Hahakaram Kurvanaha Eva Uttam Dattavan Kurvanaha doing Aha means they're out of pain Aha iti Kritva Uttaram Dattavan Tat Shutva Naradaha Swaprabhavena Dhanvanti
Ashwinau. Antarim.
Dhanvantarim. Okay, Dhanvantari is a Shabda. Karanta. Dhanvantarim Ashwinau cha atra Samahutavan. Here we don't have any Shanaj. Having listened to the lamenting of Krishna. Narada Swaprabhavena by his power, Dhanvantarim and Ashwini
Vardhamana.
also.
Vardhamana is there.
Where? In the sentence it is not there, Vardhamana. Atra Samahutavan, he invited them, called here. Then Tesham Upacharene api Krishna Shirovedana Vardhamana eva Vardhamana is. Even Tesham Upacharene api means treatment. Even by the treatment, Krishna Shirovedana increased. So वर्धमाना श्रीलिंग शिरोवेदना is श्रीलिंग therefore अभवत् धन्वन्तर्यादयः लज्जमानाः ततः निर्गताः लज्जमानाः
धन्वन्तरि
धन्वन्तर्यादयः
आदयः
लज्जन्ते therefore लज्जमानाः
Mm.
ततः from there they left एतदन्तरे in between अंतरिक्षात् from the sky अंतरिक्षात् कृष्णशतन्तः भक्तानां चरलधूलिः एव भगवतः शिरोबाधायाः स्मर्यमाणम् औषधमिति अशरीरवाक्शुता अशरीरी. So for here within quote we have स्मर्यमाणम्. What is this? Is औषधम medicine?
चरलधूलि or
भक्तानां
चरणधूलि?
चरल चरणधूलि charanaduli. Charana also I think it is there. That's why I think I have given charala duli dust. Maybe charala also must be there. You can check. Or maybe charana we can convert. Charana pada duli. Yes. Maybe charala must be there. I'm not sure about that. You can check later. So charala or charana charana we know. Okay, charana can take our pada duli. Eva bhagavataha shirobadaya for the bada, the affliction of the bada. Smaryamanam Aushadam. Smaryamanam Aushadam is the Aushada which is remembered. Smaryamanam, that is only Smaryamanam Aushadam. That is the Aushadam for that pain.
Medicine.
Yeah, Smaryate is remembered, recommended, that's the meaning here. The Asharira Vakshuta. Param Vyatamanaha Naradaha Tasyam Akashavaanyam Shaddadhanaha Na Abhavat. Here we have two Shanachantas. One is
Yadamanaha.
Vyatamanaha is agitated, disturbed, distressed. So Naradaha Vyatamanaha Tasyam Akashavanyam Shaddadhanaha. That is also Shatranta. Here Shad is Upasarga. Dadhanaha is Dhadat. Dadhati. Shaddadhana. Dadanaha. That is also Shatranta. Okay. So Dada, Dha, Mahaprana, Dadat. Third conjugation. So when you decline, Dha become Dharana Poshna Yoho. Dha become Dadhati. Dattaha, Dadati. Ubeparidi. Datte, Dadhate, Dadate. Dadhate is the form, Atmanepada form, Dvivachanam Pratham Purusha. Therefore, Dadhanaha, Te is replaced by Na. It's the Anadantanga. Therefore, no Mukkagava. Shat is Upasarga. Shat Dadhanaha. The word comes in Gita also. Right? So, Bhagavataha Roga Shantim Kamayamanaha. One more. Chatranta. Now, one more. Two more. Another one is there. Saha Anya. Anyanya Prayatran. Okay. Anyanya Prayatran Kurvanaha Asi. Taha Naradaha. Who is desirous? Who is Roga Kamayamanaha desiring? That is Kamidatu, Kamayate, Kamayamanaha, Bhagavataha Roga Shantim Kamayamanaha, Naradaha, Anyanya. Right, on different efforts, Kurvanaha, Asit is equal to
Akurvat.
Karod. Right, it right. Ante Charana only that. Charana Dulyartham Tat Tadhatranam Bhaktanam Anveshanaya Prayatramanaha Saha Krishna Patninam Gopakanam cha samipam gatva aprachyat. So Krishna ante charanadulyartam, because charanaduli eva aushadam iti uktam, that ashariri vak. Therefore, Charanadulyatam tat dhatruna means the giver of that dhatru shabda. Bhaktanam anveshanaya, right? Bhaktanam anveshanaya. Anveshanaya is searching. Prayatamanaha.
Saha.
Prayatamanaha is one who
Trying.
is
Who is trying?
trying, yes. Saha Krishnapatrinam Gopakanam Samipam Gatva Aprachati asked. Parantu Charanadolidanam Papaya Kalpate.
Kalpate.
Kalpate will govern Chaturthi. Okay. That's why Papaya Kalpate. Brahma Bhuyaya
Papaya.
Kalpate the Shastram. Iti Manvanaha Shatranta. Thus thinking the day. Naradasya Vachaneshu Ashtadadhanaha. Again Shatranta. Negative. Nanjtat Purusha it is. Shaddadhanaha. Bhagavachanam here. That's why Shaddadhanaha. Avartanta is equal to Asan. Tataha. Okay, we'll complete the story. Tataha quickly. Tataha Charnadolim Prarthayamanaha.
Naradaha.
Naradaha Gopika. Gopikaha what vibhakti?
Second three.
So don't think it as
Dvitiya
Pratama.
Bahuvachanam.
Karma. Therefore, Dvitiya Bhagavachanam. Tena Uchyamanam Karmani, right? Vachanam, the words which was uttered by
Narada.
him. Purnam Ashutta, not having listened to it completely. Eva Taha Gopikaha Dukkam Asahamanaha. It's a nice, nicely story written using Janaj. Katamapi Krishnasya Pida Nivrittim Abhilashamanaha Taha. Some of the Krishna Pida we want to remove. The Pida of affliction of the Krishna. Therefore, Taha Sharanadulya Eva Pida Varnam Anyamanaha Tadartam Kim Gata. Spardamanaha is they compete with each other. Who will give the Charanaduli? Somebody want to cure. So they were competing with each other. Tadartam Spardamanaha Bhavan. The Naradam Anuvartamanaha is following the
Narada.
Taha Shayanasya Krishnasya Nikunjam Agataha Shilinga Agataha Taha Swam Charanadulim Krishnasya Shirasi Lepagitum. Lepagitum means to apply.
To apply.
Anoint. Lepagitum. Tvaramanaha is Tvarate. They hurried. Tvaramanaha. Abhavan. Tasam Bhakti Paravashyam. Vikshamanaha. Vikshadatu. Krishnaha Smayamanaha means he was smiling. It's me. Smitamuki comes in Lalita Sasnam also. Smayamanaha, smiling. Shaddadanaha, again, Gita, this is Shaddadana, Matparama, Bhakta, me Tiba me Priyaha, comes in Gita. Bhavatyaha eva me Ativa Priyaha iti avadat. Krishnasya vachanam shutva gopikaha Modamanaha Narada Dayaha Lajjamanaha cha bhavan. So story is a good one. You can see many Shatrantas used Shanach in fact. Right?
Yeah.
So we have some more stories to Brahmana Upadesha. We will see in the next class. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah Guruji.
Dhanyavadah Guruji.